Welcome to Murphy's Diesel, folks. We got ourselves a recovery this morning, and it's a Ram 1500, and it's in some boulders, off-road. Y'all are going to see what we actually built Hellboy for. So normally, you know, everybody's like, it's too wide for trails. We don't have any trails here, so we don't have to really worry about putting it on trails. Also, y'all are going to see us drive it down the highway. You've all been asking, you know, can you drive Hellboy down the highway? Well, you're going to find out today. So stand by, because we got a 1500 Ram, and it's stuck in some big old flagstone boulders. So not sure what was going on. We're fixing to call the guy right now, and we're going to head that way. So the guy's name's Will. I'm going to give him a holler right now. I got Niro here with me. Heavy T. Heavy T's back, everyone. Dump Truck Craig's back.
Hello?
Yeah, is this Will?
Yeah.
Hey, Will, this is Rick with Murphy's Towing.
What's up, Rick?
Hey, we're headed out to get you. Are you still stuck?
Yeah, man, I'm still here, brother. I tried kind of digging myself out a little bit and kind of broke some branches around me too a little bit, and I'm still kind of stranded.
Okay. All right. Well, stand by. We're headed that way.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, sir. Guess you ain't mad. One finger, folks. Let's just take a trip down memory lane real quick, huh? A little detour here off the main road. I just want to show you all the house I grew up in real quick. So check it out. Learn that work ethic, folks. Right there, pretty cool. So around here we get a lot of off-road recoveries up in these old abandoned rock quarries. There's not a lot of off-roading that goes on here, so there's no trails, nothing like that. You just get some folks that like to do some hunting, some folks that are delivering to these rock quarries, stuff like that. Also get folks trying to see the Grand Canyon or going to Airbnbs. So that's basically what we get. So the width of Hellboy really doesn't matter for us because we don't have any really narrow trails. So with that being said, we're still going to put it to the test on the narrow trails. It's a matter of when. I just have to have something to recover Hellboy with. So we got it in the works. We're going to build something bigger than Hellboy. So if Hellboy breaks down on one of these trails, we'll be able to recover it. There's nobody that can recover this truck. It's too big. So we're getting close. It looks like he's right up on this ridge right here. Doesn't look like much from the camera angle, folks, but I promise you that's a pretty rugged ridge up there. So we actually see him. I can see his truck shining like a diamond in a goat's ass, folks. Remember what I was saying about tight places earlier, folks? I take that back. It's getting kind of tight. It's like a crossroad here. It's the cedar trees, folks. Everybody's allergic to them but me. Not this cowboy. Not me. You're not allergic to him either? De Niro, he's got my blood running through his veins.
The only thing I'm allergic to, folks, is communism.
I just want to point it out, folks. There's freaking roads everywhere back here. They're not roads. So around here, like nobody has fun. There's no fun to be had except for us. We have fun, but everybody around here is, you know, just working folks. So all these little roads, these are woodcutter roads. They're out here cutting wood. They cut wood, they dig rock, all that stuff. And I guess they probably have fun doing it, but nobody off-roads for fun around here. So except for this guy. So That's why they call this the flagstone capital of the world, folks. So I'm pretty sure we're on the right track. You could see where his pickup was really having a tough time right here. Might have to put her in four-wheel drive. Alright, well, we're at the top of the mountain. We didn't see him anywhere. We don't have any cell signal, so we're going to walk down off of this rim right here. Showed he was underneath it, but that was pretty good pound to get up here, so I don't really think he took his truck up, but we just came up. The search continues.
What do you think he's doing out here?
Not real sure. What is any of them doing out here? You know? But we're gonna find out. So he's like right here somewhere. I'm gonna have him honk this one. Hey, we're up above you. You're not on a road, are you? Okay. Can you honk your horn? Can you hear us? Okay. Can you honk your horn? He's down there a ways. See this shell right here? This flagstone vein that runs through here? It looks like he's just below it. We're on top of it, so. But he's not on a road. He's just driving cross country. But we are close, so search continues, folks. So I'm thinking somewhere right in here, we're gonna peel off this road. I think we're about the height he is now, so just gotta find a good line. I'd like to go in the trail he went in, you know, his tracks, so we don't make new tracks, but. It's all that's left from the last guy. So I've found his tracks. Look at over on the other side of us. The ground's all tore up, so we're getting close. I hear him honking right over here. Well, we found him. We found him, folks. So stand by for a little recovery action. Yeah. Probably take him out that way right there, and then we'll get him going downhill. I can see the road right there. That truck around, my truck around right through here, and we'll come up right here. I'll back in right here and I'll pick you up off these rocks, and then we'll get you up there and then go out that way. And I think that's going to be our easiest point out. Then we'll just pick a route where there's no, well, fewer trees, fewer rocks.
Yeah, because there's that trail just right here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see the road right there.
Yeah.
So we're right, there's a road right here, and then there's a trail right here. But I think we're probably gonna be better off going kind of towards that road, because the trees, they're so thick right there, I couldn't hardly get through. So, but I got a saw too if we need to cut some stuff. Well, I'll tell you, we come prepared today, folks. Got our Yankum winch receiver. Don't leave home without it. And our Bailey's rigging. Alright, so right here we're going to get some uplift to get it off of this rock. And then we're going to run snatch block off the rear to get some side pull. So we'll come up, pull it sideways off the rock, and away we go. So I'm using a McKissick snatch block, way overkill. Yankum still hasn't sent me any winch rings, so if you're watching this, Alan, I need 8 winch rings. Or I guess I'll just have to keep using these big old heavy McKissick. So here's what we got going on. Back line is going to give us lift. This is going to give us side pull. So we lift off the rock, come sideways, get it up like right here. Okay, turn your wheels to the right. Put it in neutral and hold the brakes. Flagstone, folks. It's good for something, huh? Other than fireplaces.
turns this way or that way.
Hold on, Craig.
Come back to the right a little bit.
There you go.
How's that?
God, it's pushing that freaking rock out.
Huh?
It's pushing that big rock out.
I don't know if that's what you wanted to
Alright.
That's good. Watch it. Let off a little, Craig.
He's on the pile now.
Huh?
He's on the pile now.
Let off a little, Craig. How's it looking, Jay? Hold it, Craig. Alright, hold it. Did I let down right there, Tate?
Should be good. You're on that rock.
Put it park with the e-brakes on, Craig.
He's sliding off this rock.
Huh?
He's just sliding backwards.
We got it up here, somewhat level ground, stable now. I'm gonna pull forward, got my winches free spooled, and then we'll set it up here on top. Sound like a good plan?
You bet, Rick.
All right, glad we're on the same page, Niro. Even better idea, Niro's gonna pull it forward so I can tell him where I want it. Turn your rear steer that way. Alright, that's good. Hey, turn your wheels against each other so the lockers will lock up and work against each other. More. Alright, you got the line lock set? Okay.
Hold on.
Huh?
Those rocks are pushing out.
Need to back up a little?
Yeah, let off a little bit, Tragan. He's good on the bumper.
Oh, he's good.
Yeah.
Can he start turning his wheels to the left now?
Yeah,
Start turning to the left or straight.
right there. No, he should be good.
How about, can he turn to the left now?
Yeah, you can turn.
Or does he need to come up more?
You can turn.
Huh?
That's good.
Right there. Stop. You know how they say you can wash dishes to pay your tab?
What you gonna ask me to do?
This guy's gonna film to pay his bill, folks. What do you think about that?
I'm down, man. I'm down. Whatever y'all
You
need.
filmed to
I'll
pay?
film, yeah. In another life, man, I was a director.
So this guy's gonna hold the camera the rest of the time to pay for his bill. Is that cool with you?
That's cool with me. This man's a hero, guys. This man's a hero. Murphy's Diesel, Murphy's Tow. Gotta call him out.
right, good. Niro, we got a new cameraman.
Want to bring this down and in or leave it?
No, just leave it right there. Just winch. All right, so now what we got going on is we're gonna winch this right up into this little pocket right here, and then out we go. And then then the tough stuff starts, getting this thing out of here. That's what's gonna be the tricky part. Looking good. Got him cranked all the way? There you go. Hold the brakes, Trey. All right, let some tension off and free spool it. Yeah, you can. Go ahead and wrap it up. We might need it. We might need it again.
Anything in front of me?
If you could back up a little, it'd be good. Turn your wheels to the straight. Back up a little. Pull forward a little. Stop. Turn your wheels to the left. All right, back up. Straight, actually straighten them out a little. Turn back to the right. Right there, back up. Go. Go. Keep going. All right. Turn to the right. All right, come forward. Nope. All right, we'll get Hellboy. Back up some more. All right, pull forward. Nah, we'll get Hellboy over here. We'll just stay hooked up. This is gonna take some doing, folks. Turn your rear steer that way. How are they gonna learn if you don't let them do it, you know? All right, back straight up. All right, come on. You're good. Come on. Okay, come on. Come on. All right, so truck stuck again, just as I thought. We're gonna struggle getting it out. We're gonna pull Hellboy around there, and we're just gonna hook a kinetic rope to it and go all the way out with it. So we're not having to worry about it getting stuck the whole way. So stand by. What's the paint?
Which one do you want?
Only one up there.
This one?
Kinetic? No, I want a kinetic rope. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hook this kinetic rope up, and we'll hook it up like a bridle on this side, and then we'll put a bridle on the truck, and then we'll run the rope through it so it could find center whichever way we pull, because we're going through tight turns. It won't just pull on one D-ring or the other, it'll find center. That way we're always pulling on both D-rings. whether to give him a free recovery or give him a job. How's it going in there, Heavy T?
Are we going back to this road or are we going down?
What's that?
Are we going back to this road that we came in on or are we going down?
You just follow that red truck.
Oh yeah, I'm attached to it.
Got it? Alright, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, you good? Cameraman?
It's good.
New cameraman, folks. I didn't tell him how long he'd have to be running the camera. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and pull him nice and easy, Kate. And make sure you swing your ass in around like you want to pull him that way to keep him out of this tree. You know what I mean? So like right here, because if you pull him and you start going down, he'll start cutting into this tree. So you want to make your rear end go away from the tree. Got it? Are you good? And I'm the trailblazer. See how my rope finds center at any angle it pulls? Dragon, turn your wheels! Left! If you turn it to the right, it'll drag. Slow down, your rope's loose. Boy, I'll tell you what, Boulder City over there, folks. Alright, I think I might have the first 50 yards planned. We only got like a mile to go. This way! Okay, you're gonna go right here, take a left right around this tree. Don't run the rope over. I'll break that branch off with Hellboy and then it won't get the customer's truck. Does it look hot out here, folks? Because it is hot. This is where he first got stuck. Then he got himself unstuck and went further in. that's gonna leave a mark. We're square. You filmed for me, so.
Oh shit, man, get the out of here.
Yeah, no.
You serious?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I thought you were
Yeah.
joking, man.
No, it's serious.
Bro.
I had to work it off. I don't have any dishes for you to wash, so I just needed you to point this camera at me when I was working.
Hell
So.
yeah. Hell, man. Rick is the guy, guys. You saved my fucking life, man. I don't even know how I feel right now. This man hooked me up. Gave it to me, man. This is crazy.
Yeah.
I'm like, my hair's on my arms just standing up. I'm lost for words.
Well, Will is heading back up, and we'll probably be out here in a little bit. So stand by. You stay classy, YouTube.
Now that it was free, shit.
Yeah. Now it's free. So.